M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on the Anytone D168UV, and today we're going to show you how to set up APRS just using the radio, no software. I have made a video using software as well. So you saw it there, it's transmitted on 144-800 APRS, and if we look at my D75 and push to the light, you'll see the path, wide 1, wide 2. And we just wait for the next transmission. Actually, I've set it on the PTT, so if I just press briefly, it sends it, and we can click to the right. It's got the little car symbol there. More information, and it says here, Hamtech APRS, fixed, M0FXB-9. It's got the time and even the location, and some more information there. Look at that. That looks nice on the 75, doesn't it? And more information there. So you can see it's clearly working, okay? Right, so leave that there. So how do we set this up on the 168? First thing I would say is learn to set it into VFO mode. You can program a channel, but for me, get your radio in VFO mode. And to do that, you want to just go Menu, go down to Settings, Select, go to Radio Set, and then go down to Key Function, select, and we're going to set one of the buttons to put us into VFO mode. So let's just do the top one called PF1, which is the one underneath the PTT. So PF1 is number 2, select, and we've already set it, but what you would do is you'd select, you'd go up and down the list here of different things that you can select, PF1 short. You can do a sub PTT scan, FM radio, and remember you can actually do 2 long presses on this as well, which I think is pretty good. So back to VFO memory, and I'm just going to select that. So now we can select VFO memory and back out. And what I mean by 2 long presses, there it goes again. What I mean by 2 long presses is that you press it once, you get, watch this, it's VFO A, and then it's gone into memory mode. That's when you can see the memory channel where you can't type the frequency now. If you go into VFO, we can now type a frequency. So with the long functions, you can set it so when you hold the PTT, it will give you a function. But you can set it so that if you hold it for a few seconds longer, it will give you a third function. And I think that's well worth knowing. But anyway, when you're in VFO mode, I typed in 144-800 in the UK, 900 in the USA. Okay, then I went to Menu, and I just made sure I went to Settings. When we went to Radio Set, let's get it right. Just check a minute. No, Channel Set. I just want to make sure that we're in Analog mode. So yeah, I was correct. You go Menu, go to Settings, go in Channel Set, select. Go, don't put new channel, go channel type, select, and I just made sure we were in analog, okay? This is about analog APRS. When you back out, when you're in VFO mode now, you're in analog. So now go Menu and go down until you see APRS. Select. And we're going to just go down the list one at a time. So the top one is type, we select, and we want set A APRS, okay? That's fine. Back, and we're going back with the red button. Number 2, analog APRS, and then let's just go down that. PTT upload, if you press, I've got TX at the start, so that means you can use the PTT. Back with the red button. Power and bandwidth, I haven't changed, but wide and narrow. I've left it at wide. TX frequency, just select that to make sure it is what you want. Frequency 1, edit, and look, you'll see that it's there. Look, so 144-800, that's fine. Back out. These are all in the software as well. You can have more than one basically. Signal path. Mine started off saying wide 1-1. Let me get it right. Wide 1-1, and then I added wide 2-2 because that's in America. But it's working fine for me. Back out with the red button. Text, if you look at that, I put in M0FXB Hamtech, you type what you like, and you use these keypad here like an old-fashioned phone. Just going down, bandwidth, TX, signal path, text, signal. I think that's it. So once I did that, I was able to, you can see that it works with the PTT. If I just press PTT now, And there is a thing where it won't, you can set it so it doesn't transmit APRS too quickly after, but you can see there that's showing up really well now. Yeah, but anyway, let me show you the thing where you can set the interval. Go menu, then go down again to APRS. Now you could probably do a shortcut for APRS. Green button, and there it is there, intervals. And I set 60 seconds. I'm going to increase that now. It's way too frequent. You want it about every 5 minutes at the most, I would say. Just set that for now. 570 seconds. Back out. Now, if I'm going to, I haven't worked this one out yet, but I would say that this probably can receive digital APRS because they've got an APRS info tab here where you can APRS info and you can receive APRS. It's not receiving anything there. We just got digital. And then you've got digital settings for when you do digital APRS. But we haven't done that yet. And I'm going to set that on using the software first. Look, and that's when you set your APRS. So that's it, really. You're ready to go. And get out and about. You're not going to get many signals at home unless you connect your external antenna. Then you watch, the signals will fly in. If you use your collider on the roof and connect it on this frequency, you watch all the packets coming in. There'll be loads. Thanks for watching my channel. Hope this helps. 7.3. All the best.